Yeah, hi Robert and team. Look, this is the Project 58 Tirri Road, Manly, Whangaparao, in Auckland, New Zealand. And I just thought I'd do this video to kind of help you a bit with the 3D render. So this is the house. So the roof is a colour steel corrugated iron gold grey colour. The cladding, there's two types of cladding. So the horizontal cladding is a rusticated white weatherboard, and rusticated white would look like this. I'll just show you. So that's rusticated. So it's a kind of a modern sort of look with horizontal lines, but it's all in the same plane, i.e. the weatherboards don't overlap each other. So that's option one. Well, that's type one, should I say? And that goes from that wall all the way around the building, and then you come to this face, which is mainly the outdoor living area, and this is a um, vertical cedar profile, vertical white. So it's going to be vertical cedar but painted white. So I'll just show you vertical white weatherboard. So something like that. So the vertical lines. So that's cladding type number 2, and it's along this whole entire face, and that face, and then it goes back to the horizontal rusticated. All the window joinery is white aluminium, timber steps, timber landing, gas bottles for the rinnai, glass balustrade with timber deck. The timber we'll use would be Kwila. So the decking type would be Kwila, which is like this sort of darky reddish sort of colour. And then some set of stairs going down to the ground level. Nice, so windows. So front entry, so this is going to be a decked level here. So I thought, it'd be quite, the couple likes surfing. So I thought, well, it'd be quite a cool in the 3D render if there was some planting and some, like a surfboard along this wall or something, just to give it a bit of a different look. The vertical cedar is on this wall as well and just stops at the front door. The front door, they're thinking like a opaque glass front door. So something like something sort of like that. Sort of, it's a glassy sort of front door, would be really cool. Yeah, the roof's pretty simple. Garage door, their site. Now, one thing I'll show you which I really want to capture, definitely a 3D shot from this side, is this corner. This corner, when it's open, is actually a cantilevered corner. So what I mean by that is, forget that post goes. So the whole corner is open. So I was just wondering if there's any chance to try and sort of capture that in the 3D, like, I don't know how you do that, but if that's possible. Where the deck is down below, I haven't drawn any posts, of course, but quite happy if you just sort of run a horizontal sort of baseboard right the way around, if that's possible, or just sort of, don't know what you do underneath the house, but it will be a timber batten cladding of some sort. Timber subfloor battens. I'm not really going to pick up. Sort of like that. That's what I'm kind of thinking underneath the house. Just that battened look. So that's pretty much it. So the main focal points here is this sort of outdoor entertaining area. There's actually got it's got a nice sort of sea view from looking this way. And then you've got neighbours on both sides and a house at the back. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I quite like sort of, I mean, this is kind of what the roof line's not the same, of course, but this will be white and not timber, and the horizontal's white, but just the look of that, it's quite beachy, it's quite light, all the colors are light, so I'm thinking white, colors on the cladding, subtle differences with the cladding lines, and then you got your timber, your timber decking, and your greenery would make it sort of light beachy look. Light beachy house. So yeah, just sort of quite light, quite white. Beach house exterior, indeed. Probably quite hard to find now, but none of that really, which doesn't really help. But might actually just take beach house. Yeah, just something very sort of beachy, coastal, and white and light. Probably not really going to find an image, but if I find an image, I'll let you know. But that's what I'm thinking. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to upload the Revit model in a Google Drive folder, and I'll share that with you. Cheers, guys.